Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's May 13th, 2021, and this is Dr. Schleith's APOD game. Does anybody want to guess what in the universe that could be? I'll start. Stars? Yes? Yeah, galaxy up there, even another galaxy right here for good measure. A couple of galaxies with themselves consisting of, hundreds of billions of stars. Other stars kind of in the foreground, probably in our own Milky Way galaxy. Maybe that guy's a galaxy over there. And then there's this. Anybody want to guess what that is? A natural spaceship called a comet. That's a comet right there.
That's a comet?
Yep. So this was just taken the other day, May 5th. So this is this comet, May 5th. It passed by close to the, well, I'll just read. It says, closest to the sun on March 1st and closest to planet Earth on April 23rd, this comet Atlas shows a faint greenish coma and short tail in this pretty telescopic field of view, right? So you see the little tail that way, which means the sun sort of, in this direction, the solar wind pushing it that way. Captured at its position on May 5th, the comet was within the boundaries of northern constellation Canis Venatici, the hunting dogs, and near the line of sight to intriguing background galaxies popularly known as the whale and the hockey stick. So knowing that now, it's kind of hard to not see it. That kind of looks like a whale. That kind of looks like a hockey stick. The whale and the hockey stick. Cetacean in appearance, but Milky Way size, NGC 4631 is a spiral galaxy seen edge on at the top right, some 25 million light years away. So it's a cetacean in appearance. That means it looks like a whale, but it's basically the size of the Milky Way. So 100,000 light years across, that's the Milky Way. That's about what you're looking at there. But this thing is 25 million light years away. So it just looks like a little tiny thing on the page. NGC 465657 sports the bent stick shape of interacting galaxies below and left of NGC 4631. In fact, the distortions and mingling trails of gas detected at other wavelengths suggest the cosmic whale and hockey stick have had close encounters with each other in their distant past. Outbound and only 7 light minutes from Earth, this comet Atlas should revisit the inner solar system in just under 1,000 years. So we won't see this one again in our lifetime. It's a long period comet, 1,000 years. So it'll be back again. So they can say, like, not looking in visible light, but at other wavelengths, it's very clear that these two galaxies have actually interacted with each other. But now you can see sort of how much space separates them. So just like, galaxies sort of moving in together, swirling around. When they're close enough that their gravity can kind of pull them together, if that's going to happen, there's sort of this dance of galaxies, that sort of eventually spiral in and merge together, just like the Milky Way has done and will continue to do over the next several billion years.